Becoming a successful trader is a journey where you go through different stages. Just like learning anything, like learning to play a musical instrument or flying an airplane, there are a number of stages involved. Same goes with trading. Watch this video till the end, because I promise that by the end of this video you will learn more than you will in some hours-long trading courses. The mechanical stage. This stage is as it sounds, completely mechanical. Everything like trading symbols, quantity, risk, entry criteria and targets is pre-decided. These variables, once fixed, can only be changed after a certain number of trades, say 20 or 25. Your only role is to execute your system. Believe me, it's much easier said than done. In this stage, the goal is not to master the markets or make profits, the goal is to master yourself and develop self-discipline. In this stage, the focus is not on the profits or losses, but the process itself. The focus is on developing a disciplined mindset. Discipline is something that cannot be compromised on in trading. Here's the golden line. Trading, without discipline, is like gambling. This stage helps you develop self-restraint. It's the most difficult stage for most, because for most of the time you're doing nothing, just watching the charts and waiting for your setup to happen. Waiting is a skill, hugely underrated in trading. If you can wait while watching the charts, you will be eventually successful. Jesse Livermore said, "It was never my thinking that made the big money for me, it always was sitting." Sitting tight. You have to learn to sit tight. This stage teaches you that. We all know that trading emotionally can be devastating. In this stage, you learn to keep emotions away from your trading. Because everything in this stage is completely mechanical and objective, no emotional decision-making is involved. In short, this is a learning stage. In this stage you learn money management, discipline, rules, waiting and not acting, and everything that is required to become a successful trader. It teaches you how to handle your emotions before, during, and after the trade. How to emotionally handle your losses. And more importantly, how to handle your profits. This stage changes your belief system from losing to a winning trader. The significance of this stage in your trading journey cannot be overstated. Most of the traders never start at this stage, but every successful trader I know tells me that after wandering for years, this is where the transformation really happened. Most of the traders don't even go through this stage, because they think what they lack is more knowledge, not discipline. They keep jumping from strategy to strategy in search of a better strategy. They spend years in the market, but fail to grasp what trading is actually about. They overlook the fact that if they start focusing on discipline instead of finding better strategies, they can become a profitable trader within 6 to 7 months. This stage builds a belief that, yes, I can make money in trading. Once you become disciplined and confident in your setups, you can easily make money using your setups and you end up net positive at the end of the months. You can pass on to the next stage. The subjective stage. This stage is where subjectivity is allowed. You're free to bend your rules, or change other variables of your system such as risk, quantity, entry criteria, or target based upon the context. You can do this now because you have developed discipline and self-restraint to not do things that cause you to lose money. In other words, you trust yourself to not do stupid things while watching the live market. Everything that you learned in the mechanical stage is put to use here. You have learned to just wait and observe. In this stage, you define scenarios for yourself to act. If the market does this, this is where I will get in, this will be my SL, and this is where I will get out, and if the market does that, there's where I will get in, and so on. You deal with market subjectively. You have developed confidence, and now you can trust yourself in your abilities to be able to handle complicated situations in the market. The unfortunate truth is that most people start at this stage. After watching some trading videos, they think that they can now handle any situation and become profitable, but the market sooner or later shows them the reality. Until you start with the mechanical, it's nearly impossible to reach this stage. I say this because this stage requires a fine understanding of price action, money management, and completely different belief system than what the average trader has, and mechanical stage develops that belief system. And, also, it requires a lot of practice. You have to start with the mechanical trading stage. If you haven't learned how to handle emotions, which is part of mechanical stage, then the emotional ups and downs will be extremely painful and difficult to handle. Self-discipline is absolutely crucial even at this stage. It's just that this stage doesn't develop it. For that reason, if you try to trade subjectively without having proper discipline and self-restraint, you won't last long in the market. In short, this is applying stage. Because here, you apply everything that you learned in the previous stage. The intuitive stage. This is the stage where trading becomes more like playing your favorite game. You have developed such a competence that there is no fear whatsoever. Because of the good trading experiences, your confidence has reached to such a level that now trading seems like playing a game that you're a champion of, or like playing a musical instrument that you're a master of. This is stage where you trade effortlessly. Discipline, rules, and systems become an intrinsic part of your behavior where they don't have to be reinforced. In a way, you intuitively know what the market is going to do. You feel the charts. You dance with the markets. It's a carefree state of trading, where no matter what happens in the market it cannot affect you emotionally. We all want to reach here, but it takes years of hard work to reach this stage. There are enormous emotional ups and downs involved along the way. But once you reach this stage, everything about trading seems like playing. In short, this is a playing stage. Because, in this stage, effort is minimal. Everything required for trading has now become intrinsic to your behavior and you play with the market, just like a professional guitarist plays guitar, a professional pianist plays piano, or a professional pilot flies airplane. Finally, I would like to add that don't try to hurry the process. The more you'll try to hurry it, the more it will actually get delayed. Just start with mechanical and stick to it for at least 8 to 10 months, after that you will start seeing the difference and you'll evolve by yourself. No effort will be needed to pass on to the next stage. The most important part is to start mechanically and become profitable in trading. So that your belief system can change to yes, money can be made in trading. Please subscribe for more such really informational and learning content. It takes a lot of effort to create such a high-quality educational content, so please leave a like and share it with your friends. Also comment down topics you want more videos about. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.